Welcome dear students to the Bridge course template 32 class 7th subject English. Today's learning outcome is the students will be able to present information with the help of posters or other visual aids. There are some instructions for teachers, parents and facilitators. So students, this is a craft activity. Ask the students to remember a craft activity which he or she has learnt in earlier class. Demonstrate the craft activity. Marble paper flower making. Students are supposed to make flowers from marble paper. Make a poster to explain the process of activity. Present the poster to show how to do that craft activity and demonstrate the craft activity to the students. So, let us start the learning activity. The teacher will ask questions to the students based on previous knowledge. Do you remember any craft activity from earlier class? Which type of craft paper is this? So, students, do you remember any craft activity? You know, in the last class, we have studied the pretty paper bird. Okay? So, do you remember that activity? Now, in this pictures, we see some flowers. Which shape is this flower? Rectangle, oval, square, circle. The petal, which shape is it? So students, we can see an oval shape. The petal shape is an oval shape. How many petals you need to join? Now there are so many petals for this flower. So how many petals do you need to join this flower? So we can answer so many questions. What craft material you need to make poster? So it is a marble paper. We can also say it is a crepe paper. Okay. So what do we need for this? You need a crepe paper, marble paper, or a marble paper, fevicol. Then what can you see more? Students, these are the steps to make a flower out of marble paper. So please observe these steps. In this way you can also write all these steps on a chart paper and you can show it to your teacher, like make a paper square. Okay, fold diagonally, fold in half again, rotate and fold, cut above straight edge, draw an arc. In this, students, this is a practical activity and we have to make petals out of the marble paper and cut thin strips of marble paper and then just try to mold it into the shape of a petal and try to join it together with the help of the fevicol. So in this way we can create flower. The teacher in the class will demonstrate this poster creation activity and for practice, conversation by students in pairs, like presenting poster and information either online or in front of their facilitator. So students should prepare such flowers, make a video of it and they can send it to their teacher. Extension activity, make a poster with the help of a collage. Making a video of describing your poster and send it to your teacher or facilitator. In evaluation activity, in evaluation, facilitator will show any poster and ask students to describe it. Teacher will ask students to tell the steps of any craft activity. Okay, so students, this template was totally practical. We have to practice the craft making at home and make a video of it and show to the teacher. So students, what did you learn today? You learned how to make a poster on craft activity and also you're able to demonstrate information of craft activity. So this was the end of this template. Thank you very much.